Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. When s approach to number 0, we put number 0 going here, 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 and here. You got about 0 over 0. So in this situation, we need to use about L hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So that should be like this. So first derivative of sine 7x, you got about 7/8 cosine 7x. First derivative of s cosine s, this one we can use about the product rule of derivative. This one we will have about number 2 secant of 2s squared. This one we have number 7 cosine 7s. So this one we have number 1. This one we have negative sine s. Now we put number 0 going here, 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 and here. So if we simplify, we have like this. Now we need to simplify this one, and we have 7/8 minus 7b over 42 equals to number 5. So we have first equation in here. So on the question, they want to find a minus b. So in this situation, we can do about factorization by number 7. And now we can see that we have a minus b. So I will put 42 go to the right. Then we divide both sides by number 7. And this one we have 30. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.